Welcome to Day 5 Yoga Every Damn Day. Today, we will discuss just a few reflection techniques in which you can use in your yoga practice. We will wrap up by discussing reflection through various practices such as journaling, gratitude, self-inquiry, meditation or silent observation, and reflective practices beyond the yoga mat, such as partnering with others for personal growth and self-awareness. First up, journaling. Journaling provides you an opportunity to jot down your thoughts, feelings, or insights that arose during the practice. This technique was primarily used throughout the course in which you completed this week. Yoga every damn day. Gratitude is all about mentally noting the things that you are grateful for. This type of reflection helps to foster a positive mindset. Self-inquiry is a technique in which you develop introspective questions related to your emotions, intentions, or personal growth. Mindful silence is when you allow yourself a few moments of silence just to observe your thoughts without condemnation. Last but not the least is the partnering technique. You don't have to do this life alone. Discuss your experiences with others to release your thoughts and be open to constructive and objective feedback. Today you are in for a treat. I am going to provide you an example of a piece that I completed for reflection. It was a piece where I focused on breath work. I suffer from asthma, and I am amazed at how the simple effort to incorporate breathing exercises for just a few moments a day allows me to live drug-free and step out confidently knowing that I have an arsenal of knowledge that will help me to combat my condition should the need arise. I will share with you my thoughts with regards to the benefits of breathing and the impact it can have on our daily lives. Feel free to follow along as it also serves as a meditative practice in which you can incorporate within your program. I call it Honor Your Breath. Now, before every session, I like to set an intention. And today, it's the gift of giving. I desire to give to you a piece of me. And in turn, I hope that you will be open and receptive of my gift. All right, now get into a seated and comfortable position. Place your arms and hands in a manner that feels most right for you. You should be relaxed, and if you desire, your eyes can be closed. Wherever you may be, and especially if you are in an environment designed to challenge you, focus. Focus. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in and feel your chest expand. Breathe out and feel your chest contract. Breathe in for 4 counts. Breathe out for 6. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue to breathe. The breath. Recognize your breath. Take a moment to clear your mind and recognize your breath. Feel the sensations that arise within your body. This sensation, this energy is called your life force. Honor your breath. The breath. All success in life derives from the ability to consciously acquire, store, and release energy. The breath is an autonomic function that we do not recognize. A function that occurs approximately 17,000 times within a day. It is said that the only difference between you and a cadaver is your breath. Honor your breath. The breath is the law of giving and receiving. It's quite powerful. And if you can focus on the breath, it can induce a meditative state, a state that helps to revive the body. Honor your breath. What ailment do you have? Do you suffer from pulmonary dysfunction? The power of your breath, it can heal you. Honor your breath. Do you experience anxiety? Is it difficult for you to focus? The power of your breath, it can help you. Honor your breath. Just 5 to 10 minutes is all you need. An action so simplistic, one that we take for granted, but if we can just recognize it and honor its existence day by day, the breath, the power of your breath, it is the way. Honor your breath. If you have not downloaded the journal for this course, please download the journal and use it to reflect on your learning experience today. Today, you learn the following: different types of reflection techniques. In your journal, take a moment to reflect on what you learned today. Think about what you knew about reflecting on your learning. What were you expecting to learn, and what did you actually get out of this course today? Did it meet or exceed your expectations? And how do you anticipate using the information in which you learned today to begin or deepen your yogic practice? Thank you for joining me on this journey as we enhanced our knowledge and understanding of yoga. If you would like to learn more about Kinky Knots Cafe and the resources that we provide, I welcome you to visit our website at www.kinkyknotscafe.com. Make sure to connect with us on our podcast too. Proactive is the way, where every 2 weeks we host authentic conversations, sharing information on our experience and providing you resources to help you in managing your health and overall wellness. To enhance your experience within this mini course, I strongly encourage you to continuously checking back with the KK Cafe Loyalty Program. As you know, the loyalty program, it is free, and as a member, you should have received a 10% off coupon for your first purchase. You can use the coupon for our skincare line, the KK Cafe collection items, or the Power 77 personal training and life coach program. In addition, you will be eligible for shipping rebates on all of the orders that you place. You will also have access to select fitness classes for free, mini courses such as this one, and receive special discounts offered throughout the year. Once again, please take some time to visit us at www.kinkyknotscafe.com.